Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I want to tell you all about our LLUILLUI makeup sponges and the unique technology that goes into making them. So you'll see that our sponge is actually two different colors. So they're also two different textures. The top is made out of silicone, which is very good because it doesn't absorb all of the product completely, and you're allowed to apply the product to your face without all of it soaking up and it going to waste. So the tip is also very good for getting into the creases of your eyes and around your nose and those tight places that the product might not usually make it to. The bottom is a different texture and it is perfect for seamlessly blending around your neck and all over your face. We have some unique uses for these sponges that are different than just makeup. We found that a lot of parents like to use these sponges for sunscreen or cream. Their hands might have germs on them, or the sunscreen might leave kind of an oily residue. So if they use the sponge, it's very gentle on their children's skin and make sure that it goes all over their face. We found that they also, if they have any eczema or rashes on their face, you can put this in the freezer and cool it, and it's very good for kind of just being very gentle on their skin and helps with the application process. If you wake up with puffy or swollen eyes, you can also place this in the freezer, and it's great for a little ice pack under your eyes in the morning. Some unique uses that you can use this for after the fact. So if you've already used this for months and you want a new beauty sponge, you can use this for like a storage for your sewing pins. We thought that was a cute idea. Or you can use it for face painting on children or arts and crafts projects. And you can also use it for cleaning within your keyboard and getting away all of those germs. So we found those unique uses and we thought that those were great ways to recycle your beauty blender and keep on using it. So we think that this is the perfect technology for getting your makeup perfectly on, any creams perfectly on. So we definitely think that you should all go check out our LLUILLUI makeup sponges.